Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sierra, and as you guys can see right now, I am in my bathroom because I'm finishing up getting ready, but we are about to leave the house and I just decided that I wanted to vlog today, so here I am making the intro. So what's going on today is, over the years, Mr. and I have kind of made it like a family tradition that every year when the Christmas displays come out at Ikea, we go and we see the Ikea Christmas displays. So actually that was even a tradition for me before Mr. and I got married when I lived in Europe. But anyways, that is what we're going to be doing today. And before you guys get a chance to say anything, yeah, I know my hair looks a little bit different today. I actually have naturally wavy hair, but for most of my life I've had short hair, and what that means is I used to get like a triangle effect, and a lot of the times I would get like a weird curl pattern. It would just look fluffy. But now that it's a lot longer, because I've actually been, you know, taking care about nutrition and stuff, it's pulling itself down a little bit. And today I put like some gel and hairspray and stuff, and hopefully to get it to kind of stay down. So today I just left it natural with some stuff in it, and then I put like a little waterfall braid in it that goes halfway around and then hides underneath the back of my hair. Looks like I need to fix it, but anyways, that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna play the intro and I'll see you guys when we're in Ikea. Made it to Ikea, also called Ikea depending on who you ask, but I have a friend from Sweden whose family works for Ikea, and that's how they said you used to say it, so I'm going to be saying Ikea for the rest of the vlog unless I slip up, sorry. Anyways, we are at the first Christmas display and it's amazing, and it's been up I think since early November, which is pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you guys quickly behind me, even though I took another clip. All the red, I think it's a red blanket. Ooh, I think it's a knitted blanket actually. It's like basically like grandma knitted blanket. It's $35 about. It's pretty soft. It's called this is what it's called. That's it, right there. It's pretty cool. And they stuck in some other like regular merch, like this puppy is always like in Ikea, but it's in the Christmas section. So we're going to enjoy the store, and I will check in with you guys when I check in with you, and we're gonna browse together. Little man, what do you think of that polar bear? Are you singing a song? It's your first Christmas tree? Yeah!
You know what that is? What is it? Is that? It's a Christmas tree.
Christmas! Yeah, good. Tree. Yeah, he just did it. House goals. I'm getting some camping Christmas in the woods vibes, like Christmas in the Smokies or something. Are you pretending to nap?
I know, I'm stuck in this chair.
So precious. Whoa! Did you come out of the fort?
Got an accountant.
Right? do you think of that? Whoa! You are adorable.